All right, so welcome everyone. This is 21st May 2024 Advanced Digital Marketing class at Kartys Digital Academy. All right, so we will quickly see what is the next tool that we're going to be talking about. So everybody can see my screen? Yes, great. So this is Claude, okay? Claude AI, all right? I'm the next generation AI assistant built for work and trained to be safe, accurate, and secure. I'd love for us to get to know each other even a little better. Okay, nice to meet you. Enter your full name. I'll write full name. Kartys. Okay, digital. Now, whenever you are writing, summarizing your article on a chat GPT, okay, you can copy that and put it in Claude, okay. So any case of plagiarism, okay, will be removed. Okay. So okay, done. Here you can copy it, and here you can retry it. Okay. Let's give a feedback. Good. Good work. Okay. So this tool is basically better than Chat GPT. Okay. In various ways. Okay. Because this model is capable of quite a lot of things. Okay. Now, mm, see, understand and work with images, which are new in Claude. Okay. Can you see that? You can upload an image and you can ask what image it is, right? You can upload a PDF file and ask it to summarize the PDF file. It will read the entire PDF file and it will give you the key pointers. Let's say you want to learn about search parameters. You have gone ahead and downloaded a PDF, okay, or you want to learn about SSL certificate or HTML or anything, okay, any technology that we were discussing. You go to search parameters, type PDF, right? You download that, you can upload this here. Okay, so these are all the stuff that I can attach it here. I can upload it and then convert UI design to front end code. Okay, see, you guys remember what is UI design to front end code? You know what is it, right? Convert this design into a React component using Tailwind CSS. Now, obviously, React component is a coding. Tailwind CSS is a version of Java. Okay, Tailwind. All right. So front end engineers, developers, they use uh, the UI that you guys will produce. The UI, not you guys, but UI developers. Okay, they will produce a UI, right, like this. Okay, this is the UI, correct? It says welcome to task list pro, blah blah blah. So the for front end developers, they have to write the code. Now the entire code AI can write. Entire code. Okay. So the cloud does not have the ability to run the code it generates yet. However, He has written the code. Okay. So see all the code, the entire code has been written for this particular CSS. So now this is just an image, right? When you click on it, how does it work? When you click on this, how does it work? When you click on this, how does it work? When you click on this, how does it work? When you click on this sign in, how does it work? Right? You have to work with any code, right? Now you don't know how to write a code, but if you use AI, you'll be able to write code as well, right? So this is the power of AI. Everybody clear? Not that you have to do it, but is it clear what cloud can do? Okay. So I'm going to copy this link and then I'm going to paste it and share it with you guys. So everybody register. Okay, it's free to use for certain. You don't have to subscribe to Pro, but then whatever you're generating from Chat GPT, put it in cloud and ask it to rewrite. Okay, ask it to rewrite. This is the keyword, rewrite. Okay, rewrite in simple language, simple English. Just say rewrite in simple English and it will rewrite it in simple English. So you will not have any issues with any copy of plagiarism. Okay. Nobody will say it's a plagiarized content or you copied it from somewhere, right? Fair enough. Everybody clear? All right. Just bear with me. So throughout this course, we will keep on learning new tools. Okay, I'll keep on telling you about new tools. I'm also researching every day on new tools. Okay, which as in when we speak, there's a new tool being launched every day, right? So when I research and I found it interesting, I always inform my students. Okay, because I want my students to also gain the knowledge uh, faster. Okay, does that help everyone? As in when I get the information, when I try it, and when I use the tool, if I share it with you, will it be helpful? Yes or no? So as a team, everybody can use it. Great. So will you use Claude or not? Yeah. Do you see this one? Important URL links. Everybody can see that. Yes or no? Everybody can see the URL links. Has anyone gone to it before? Has anyone gone through it before? Has anyone clicked on the important URL links and went through it and see what is it? Yes, no, no. Okay. Okay. All right. Fine. No problem. So, as in when, see, in the beginning, I told you not to look here and there, right? But now I'm telling you from now, because we are in the second week, okay? Start going through each and every tab, okay? Clear? In this important URL, you will all the link that I find which is important for you guys, okay? I mention it here. So all my trainees, they have all these tools because I tell them that it's already curated and I sent it to them. Fair enough. Yeah. Is it helpful if I make a list and I send it to you guys? I will not send it to you, but it's in the sheet already. Yes. So now I've put it under next to important terms. So next to important terms, now you'll find important URLs. So basically, if you go to important URLs, you'll see all the tools which are there. Okay, guys, everyone. So I've spent hours and hours and hours to find out this list. Okay, nobody has given it to me. I made it myself. Right? Who nobody gives it. Right? You have to search, you have to find out, and you have to make it. You can imagine how long I've spent making the sheet. Okay, so here you will see everything, but just this is just for your knowledge. Okay, we will go through as in when we use. I will let you know what to use, what not to use. Okay, clear, clear, not everyone. Okay, great. Is it good to have a list like that, pre-made list? So I've mentioned Claude also just now, so that you guys can see. Okay, I'll write it next to ChatGPT. Better model. So Claude is becoming quite famous. Okay, so before it becomes very famous, everybody starts using it. You guys should be the pioneer and use it. Okay, fair enough. Okay, so let's go to the first topic of today. Okay, we have to complete a lot. Okay, so today let's see which one. SSL you guys have already covered. So this SSL is secured socket layer. Okay, so we have already covered this, so that shouldn't be a problem. Okay. So domain DNS. So what is domain DNS? DNS stands for domain name server. Okay. So what is domain name server? Everybody can see the screen, right? So remember, I told you whenever you have in technology in tech world, whenever there's a combination of multiple words, what do you have to do? What do you have to do? You have to break the words, right? You have to break the words, correct? So it says DNS. Now what is it? Domain name server, right? So now domain name server, there are three words. So what does it mean? What is domain? What is name? And what is server? Now can you guess, anybody? You know what is domain already. You know what is the meaning of name. You already know what is server. So what is the meaning of domain name server? What do you think it is? Oh, this okay. Anybody? Come on, guys. Database of all the servers registered. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I'll break it down again. Okay. So wait, let me share the white screen. All right. So this is a server. Okay. This is a server. Have you guys seen server? Facebook server. You guys have seen, right? Day one we learned, right? They have huge servers. Yes or no? Yeah. This is a server machine. Let's say we have a small server machine in the house. Okay. Okay, this is a server. So this is one SSD, this is one SSD, this is one hard drive. Okay, hard drive. Usually it's an SSD. Okay, this is another SSD because SSD are very fast. Okay, this is another SSD, another, all that. Okay, understood? Clear? This is server. Now DNS. DNS. Okay. D is domain. Domain is the name of a website, correct? Name of a website. Now, guys, remember in old days we used to have phone book. Phone book, a diary. We used to write down all of our friends' phone numbers. Yes or no? Did you guys do it? Yes, no. If not you, then you'll see your parents have a small diary. Okay, with all the numbers. Yes or no? Parents, uncle, auntie, whatever, whoever, right? Elder, right? Everybody. What about Tumjin? They still do. Okay. Yeah, I used it way back. Okay, great. Tumjin? Yes. So you everybody knows what is a phone book, right? It's a book. Okay, where you have all the phone numbers, right? Okay. Sentiwala also says yes. Perfect. Now just imagine in the phone book we write down the name of a person and the phone number, correct? In DNS, it has this is basically a phone book. The server is a basically phone book. Okay. In this phone book, it has all the names of all the domains. Okay. All the domains in the world, they have the name DNS server. Okay. A server means storage space. Okay. A server is a it serves the input and the output data. Okay. This is a server basically. Okay. So now DNS, domain name server. Okay. So it has all the names. Correct. If it says domain contact server, then it will have all the contact numbers. Correct. Of all the domains. But do websites have a domain contact number or just the name? Just the name, right? Because they are not people, right? So domain is just it's a name of a website. So just the name. Okay. So basically, domain in plain English we see okay www dot let's say mirankichu.com. Okay. So mirankichu.com. Okay. Now, mirankichu.com in plain English, we can read it because it's alphabets. It's MEREN, right? Yes or no? But a computer knows what language? Computer knows English. Uh, a computer knows English? No. What computer knows? What language? Anybody? Wow, very good. Lipop says computer language. Of course, it will speak computer language. Will not speak calculator language, right? What is that computer language called? Is my question. Any guess? Anyone? Okay, no problem. Guys, if you don't have any guests, just say no. It's fine. It's cool. So I can just move on to the next one. No, yeah, okay. So the computer, pay attention here, uses or understands this language. B I A R Y. Binary. Okay. Have you heard of this word? Binary. Okay. Binary means what? This is the language of the computer. Okay. Computer only understands binary language. So binary language is basically 0 and 1. There's nothing else in this language. In English, we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, all that, right? Yes or no? In Roman, in Latin, in Roman, we have uh, characters like this: 1, 2, 3. Yeah, correct. In Hindi, we have kakha, gagha like that. Correct? Yes or no? Right? This is Hindi language. This is Roman language. This is binary language. English language is A, B, C, D. Right? Yes or no? Correct? So if it has only 0 and 1, okay. So, but we are buying mirankichi.com. Miran went and bought mirankichi.com. It is written in this language, correct? Yes or no? It is written in this language, right? How computer understands? Tell me. Anybody, any guess? So today you want to watch a Korean movie, okay? But do you understand Korean language? No, but still want to watch it. How do you watch it? Because of using binary code. Okay, yeah, correct. But then how? Subtitle, yes. So Viren is saying subtitle. So if you want to watch a Korean movie, you don't understand Korean language. So you need a subtitle to understand. Yes or no? Everybody, everybody. I want a yes from everyone, right? Okay. So now mirankichu.com. Okay, Miran has bought a domain from the domain registrars. Okay, it has Miran went and saw mirankichu.com is available. He bought it. Now the DNS, it saves all the names. It saves all the name of the domain, but it will not save as mirankichu.com. It will convert mirankichu.com into binary, into zeros and one. So it will give an IP address. IP address. It will assign an IP address to mirankichu.com. Everybody clear? Okay, so DNS job is not to just act like a phone number, phone book saver. Okay, his job is also to convert it into this 0 and 1, so that the computer can understand. Okay, this is mirankichu.com. So basically, the number will be like this: 192.168.1.0, like that. Okay, but if I say Miran says, hey, I bought mirankichu.com. I got a website. So, and the friend say, okay, what is the website? 192.168.1.0. You think people will understand? They'll think that Miran is joking. Yes or no? Yeah. So now, when Miran tells 192.168.1.0 to the DNS will understand. Okay. To the computer will understand. Okay. So let's do this. Let's see whether I can share the screen with you guys. Bear with me. So this is a very good article, by the way. I found it. You can read about it. Okay, about Cloudflare. From Cloudflare, you can understand what is DNS and what is this job. Okay, so there's a good article. Please read it, and this is going to be a homework. So make a note of it. Okay, I'll put it here as well. Okay. So everybody has the laptop apart from Lipo. Lipo, you can do it on your mobile also if you want. Okay, but everybody has a laptop. Yeah, yes or no? Okay. Now in your laptop, you search for CMD. CMD. Okay, CMD and enter. Or you can yeah, CMD, enter. Or you can put the Windows and R key. Okay, press the Windows plus the R key. R for Romeo. Okay, a small box will open. Type CMD and enter. Everybody done? Black box. You got black box. Okay, great. Lipo says yes. So make sure that everybody, Lipo can make sure that everybody has a black box. Okay, so in the black box, type ping, P-I-N-G, P-I-N-G space www.google.com. Okay, see like how I've written P-I-N-G, ping. ping.www.ping.me, sorry, ping space www.google.com and hit enter. What happens? It says pinging. Right? It says ping successful. Done. You see, it will show the IP address of Google. There. So who can tell me the IP address of Google? Okay. Lipok is on it. Chalo. Write it down. Lipok. Great. So you understand now. You understood the example that I gave you. So this is the actual google.com. So DNS has actually converted it to 142.251.42.4, right? That is actually in the real world, in technology world. That's how all the websites are saved with their IP addresses. Okay. Only for us humans, we have to use English language. That's why they converted to English. Otherwise, all the websites, this will be an IP address, this will be IP address, this will be an IP, this will be another IP, like that. All the IP numbers are saved here. Okay, alphabets are all saved. Okay, not because computer cannot understand alphabet. Computer can only understand the numbers. Okay, which number? Zeros and one. Now you'll say no, IP address also has for 4 and 5 also. Correct. So that 0 and 1 that you see, that 142 that you see, that will also be converted again to binary. Okay, so there's a conversion mathematics behind to convert everything to binary. Okay, so the computer calculates that and converts this number also into binary. This also into binary. It will finally make it to zeros and ones. Okay, when it reaches this, it will save that as a binary number. Okay. So in short, how binary will look like is your A will be 0, A is equal to 0. Example, okay. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, 1. Okay, C will be 0, 0, 1. D will be 0, 0, 0, 1. Like that, so on and so forth. Right? So if you, let's say your name is, I don't know, what make a name? Your name is ABC. Okay, Miran's name is ABC. Okay, example. Okay, so in binary it will be 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Correct? That will be Miran's name. Okay, if Miran's name is ABC. Example. Okay, got it, everyone? Sinjanaro? Interesting? Yes or no? Okay, all right. Okay. I think I saw somewhere somebody's WhatsApp image has Kali Linux photograph. Who's that? Who has WhatsApp Kali Linux photograph? I think it's from your batch only. What? On WhatsApp. Can you guys hear me? Yes or no? Nobody's responding, man. Not mine. I think Lipok. Okay, fine, no problem. Yeah, I think it's Lipok only, but not mine. Yeah, Lipok. The image that you have is a Cham Mao. That's uh, that's Kali Linux. Okay, by the way. All right, so Kali Linux is used by hackers. Okay, what is Kali Linux? What does it do? The image that you have put. Do you know what image is that? Oh, you just put like that. Because it looks cool. Great, great, great. Okay, so basically that image is a Kali Linux. So in Kali Linux, you know, so I'm also trained in Linux, by the way. Okay, I thought it was a girl name you were telling me. Yeah, it is a girl's name actually. Okay, Kali Linux is based on a Hindu god. Okay, so that's why they named it under on the basis of the Hindu god. So it's a US. Obviously, it's a company called Red Hat. Okay, so Red Hat and they have made the Linux. Okay, it is it is cool to be honest. Means yeah, it is obviously. All right. So basically, Kali Linux is again very good with all this conversion DNS. Okay. So there are a lot of attack that happens on DNS. Okay. Because obviously, if you get a database access, okay, just imagine of this phone book. Now you have everybody's contact number or not? Yes or no? Right. So it's it has to be secured. Correct. If in case people get this phone book in this database access, now they can just contact anything, they can do anything, right? Yes or no? Right? They can destroy, right? So this is highly protected. Okay. Perfect. All right. So that's why it reminded me when I was discussing this. I saw somewhere somebody had, so I just checked and it was yeah. So Kali Linux is one of the operating systems. It's like just like Windows and Mac. Kali Linux is also a Linux operating system. So people use that to penetrate into all these kind of systems. Okay. So now don't tell me, guys. Please help me hack into my friend's Facebook and Instagram. I will not do that, and I don't know also how to do it. Okay. All right. Cool. I want to see what is my boyfriend doing, what is my girlfriend doing. All that work is not part of this course. Okay. Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. Chalo. Great. Lovely. All right. So I'm going to erase this. I hope DNS is absolutely clear to you guys. What is DNS, how it works, what is the technology behind it, how the binary system works, how systems talk to each other, how DNS, how the name itself is converted. You guys know everything now. Yes? Excellent, excellent. Right? So this is, see, each and every topic we will go into details like that. We will understand the complete uh, idea behind it and complete working technology behind it. Okay, and then we will proceed further. Okay, so it will be very crystal clear. Okay, similarly, now the next topic is MX record. MX record. So MX record simply says mail exchange record. Okay, now everybody used have you ever in your life used India Post and sent letters at least once when you were young, a postcard or a letter? Okay, may no. Okay, okay, great. So have you ever received a parcel from Amazon? That's also like a letter only, right? A courier only, right? Package. So I think everybody, yes, yeah. Okay. Now mail exchange records. So Amazon as a company, okay. If you order something, so Amazon knows where to whom to send where. They know your address, right, and the location. Without that, it will go. No, they will not accept the order. Correct. So they know with this package goes where. Correct. Yes or no? So they must be maintaining a record, maintaining it in a server or a database, or you can call it a database also. Yes. Amazon has a database where they serve they keep all the data of all the customers. Yeah. So whenever you open the app, whenever you order, it knows which person has ordered from where. But every time it doesn't ask you the password, right? Sorry, it doesn't ask you the address, right? Does it ask you to fill up the address every time? If it asks you every time, what will happen? People will get irritated. Yes or no? Correct. So to avoid that, what Amazon did? So they created an app and they created a server database. Okay, they saved all the information, and then whoever orders once, data is saved. Next time when they order, they don't have to put in the data again and again. It automatically picks from here, right? So there is a record that is being maintained. Correct. Similarly, okay, in the server, in WordPress server, okay, there is a MX record. MX record is basically all the emails that you are sending, exchanging, okay, like Gmail, okay. Just like Gmail, whenever you send an email from your website, whenever you receive an email to your website, this MX record make sure that everything is recorded properly, okay, like the sender's address, receiver's address, everything, okay. If this MX record is broken, you think you'll get emails from your website? No, you will stop getting emails. Why? The record itself is broken. If the server is broken, you think Amazon will identify your address, will know your address? No, right? Because now Amazon don't know where to get the information from, right? So this is very important to maintain this, correct? Similarly, it is very important to maintain this. So MX record, I'll show you when we do web development. We'll see what is MX record, how does it look like, how to make sure that everything is working properly there. Okay, cool. Okay, perfect, everyone. Understood MX record? User accounts. Basically, user accounts is also very simple. So when you have an account, okay, let's say you have a Facebook account. Okay, now in the Facebook account you have created a page. Okay, now you can give access to your friends also, right, to that page as an administrator, as an editor, okay, as a author, right, as a moderator, correct. Not necessary that you will have to give your username password, but you can give access to that particular page. Yeah, yes or no? So similarly, user accounts means every software, every application that you will be using, you will be the admin. Okay, will have the control to give access to others. Okay, so when you're making website, when you're making web development, at that time there will be an option to um, give go ahead and give the information. Okay, like user account, create user accounts. Fair enough. Okay, great. So I'll show you how to create user account, how not to create user account. Email setting, basically, email is transferred. Okay, so again, SMTP. So you know what is TP stands for? SMTP. What does TP stand for? Oh, SMTP. TP means, come on guys, what does this mean? Type. Hello. No, just type what is TP. Nothing else. Don't do this one. Don't worry. This one. What is TP? Transfer protocol. Correct. Everybody. So what is SMTP? It's simple mail transfer protocol. Simple mail transfer protocol. Simple mail means email. Okay. So what are we transferring? Email. Earlier, what were we transferring? You remember I gave you an example of FTP. In that, we were transferring files. Okay. Here we are transferring simple mail. In HTTP, we are transferring hypertext. Okay. So protocol is same. It's a transfer protocol. What protocol? Transfer protocol. Okay. Simple mail transfer protocol. What is it does? What does it do? It simply helps you to receive and send emails. Okay. In your own server, in your own email. Okay. Let's say you have bought a domain and hosting. With that, you can set up your own email address. For example, kartys.co.in. Okay. It's a domain. Now, I also have info@kartys.co.in, admin@kartys.co.in. Correct. So people can email me there as well. Correct. Yes or no? So that I've created using the email setting, which is SMTP. Okay. Simple mail transfer protocol. Understood? Clear? Solicitation emails. Okay. Now solicitation emails, the word solicitation. Who knows the meaning? If you don't know, just say no. Okay. Solicitation means sales. Sales. Selling something. In English, it's called solicitation. Okay. Go to Google and type the meaning, you'll find it. Okay. Selling. Selling is called solicitation. Okay. Selling. Right? Clear? So solicitation emails simply means sales emails. Have you ever seen an email? It might come to your Gmail saying that buy tickets, you'll get 40% discount, or make my trip in, something like that. Go to fly today, you'll get 10% discount, blah, blah, blah. Right? Have you seen emails like that? Right? So in India, a lot of people don't use emails. Okay. So email marketing in India is not that great. However, email marketing in outside like UK and US, it's very successful. Why? Because there people use a lot of emails. They use emails only. Okay. In India, what we use, can anybody give me an example? Instead of email, what we use? Instead of email, we use WhatsApp and SMS. Okay, a lot. All right, clear? We use SMS and WhatsApp instead of email. If I ask you how many people check your WhatsApp, everybody will say yes. How many people will check? Correct. You're right. Lipok and Brent, WhatsApp. WhatsApp. Correct. Okay. So if I ask Brent and Lipok, how many times have you checked your email? Right. Very less. Correct or not? Why? Because in India, people don't use email. We haven't gotten used to emails. But in foreign countries, okay, people first thing in the morning, they will check their emails. The moment they get up in the morning, they will check email. Okay. Then they will check WhatsApp and all that. Because for them, email means work. For us, email means unnecessary, delete. Correct? Yes or no? Okay, but that shouldn't be the case. You guys are professionals now. So you guys will, because nowadays, from now onwards, what will happen? The HR will also email you, right? HR will email you, companies will email you. Okay, so you have to pay attention to your email. You have to start using Gmail or work email. Okay, clear everyone? So you guys have to start paying using email. So solicitation email is whenever a company trying to sell something over email. Okay, sending emails saying that there's an offer right now, please take it, blah blah blah, whatever. Okay, that's an email. SSL, you guys already know SSL certificate, secured socket layer. All right, everybody clear? Whatever we have discussed till now. Yes or no? Okay, so we'll take a break now. Okay, we'll come back at 7:30, 7:35. Just take half an hour. Okay, 7:35. Okay, cool, everyone. Okay, so we will connect after at 7:30, 7:35. Okay, I'll see you all. Thank you. 7:30.